Welcome back. I prepared this layout to save time because it's very simple. You can create by your own or you can download the source code from the resources folder. This layout contains 2 edit text, one for the name and one for the email, and 4 buttons: save data, read data, update data, and delete data, and 1 text view to display the results or the responses from the Firebase. Let's move to the main activity and I'll initialize these widgets. And by the way, I'll use find view by ID just for saving time, because in the next videos, we'll use data binding with Firestore. Now, we need to get the name and email, store them into an object of type friend or user or whatever you want, and then insert it into the Firebase and perform the operations save, delete, update, and read on the Firebase Firestore cloud. So for that, I'll create a new model class and I'll name it as friend. In this class, I need to create a name and email variables. Alt plus insert to create a constructor. At first, you need to create an empty constructor, so always add an empty constructor when dealing with Firebase. Then I need to create a new constructor having these 2. Also, I need to add the getters and setters for both name and email. This is our model class. Let's go to the main activity and initialize our Firestore. So here under these variables and this initialization of the widgets, I'll create the Firebase Firestore variables. We can see there is an error here because Firebase Firestore is not resolved and we can't find and resolve the symbol. This is due to the absence and the lack of the dependency in the build.gradle.kts. So here we added the Firebase BOM and analytics dependencies. We need to add the dependency for Firestore. For that, you can search on Google latest Firestore dependency or go to the firebase.google and to the documents and scroll down to get the latest dependencies. Select Java. This is for the BOM for Firebase and this is for Firebase Firestore. And I'll copy this note because it's very important. When using the BOM, this is the BOM, you don't specify versions in Firebase library dependencies. Think now. If you don't use this platform and this Firebase BOM, you should add here the latest dependency version, which is 32.3.1 here after the Firestore, like this. Then we'll go to the main activity here and try to add Firebase Firestore, and you can see it. We import it from firebase.firestore package. db equals to firebase firestore.get instance. I can initialize it here or I can initialize it in the onCreate method. Then private document reference friends ref equals to db.collection, and here I need to use the users or friends dot document, or here I name it as users and the document would be friends. Again guys, you can initialize them here in the onCreate method. Also, I need to add private collection reference equal db.collection, and here I need to specify the users. Let's explain what we've done. Here, the Firebase Firestore is the entry point for accessing a Firestore database. You use this class to obtain references to specific documents and collections, as well as to configure Firestore settings, such as enabling offline data persistence or adjusting security rules. The collection reference represents a specific collection within a Firebase Firestore database. It's used to perform operations on the documents within that collection, such as querying, adding, and listening for changes. Collection reference refers to the user's collection within the Firestore database. The document reference represents a specific document in a Firestore database. It provides methods to read, write, update, and delete data within that specific document. So this friends ref refers to the document with the ID friends within the user's collection.